Today we are going to talk about proof of funds. What is proof of funds? So to come to Canada, you have to show Canadian government that I have this much amount in my account, and when I will go there, I will have sufficient money to survive and settle down there. This is proof of funds. Now, who need proof of fund? If in express entry you are applying under federal skilled worker program or federal skilled trades program, then you need to show proof of fund that I have this much money in my account, I can survive. Who does not need proof of fund? So if you are applying under Canadian experience class, or you're authorized to work in Canada and you have a valid job offer, even if you apply under FSW, Federal Skilled Worker Program, or FST program, Federal Skilled Trade Program, you do not need to show proof of funds. So basically what Government of Canada want to say is, if you are applying under Canadian experience class, means you already have been there, you already have an account, and you are already earning. If you are already earning, in that case you can support yourself because you are already supporting yourself. Second is, when you have a valid job offer, then you will go and join the job, you will get money, so you can support yourself. In that case, either if you are at FSW or FST, you can of course support yourself in these two situations. But if you are coming directly through FSW or FST, you cannot support yourself, so you have to show the proof of fund before coming. Now, how much money you need, right? So it is based on your family size. So does that mean if you are coming alone and you are not bringing your wife or children, you only have to show it for yourself? Well, Government of Canada says no for this. So they say you must include your spouse or common law partner and dependent children, even if they are not coming to Canada with you, or they are a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. Even if they are here, they are permanent residents, but still you have to count their number while calculating the total balance in your account, right? Now, how much it is? So for example, if you are single, then you need to have 13757. This is the magical number for you. If you are people like you're married, and you don't have children, 17,127. So as it is shown here, it goes on, and if it is more than 7 family members, then 3,706 per head will be counted afterwards. All right, let's move ahead. What we accept as proof? So what will you give to them showing that, boss, I have this? So for that, they have explicitly told what they will accept. For proof, you must get official letter from any bank or financial institution where you have an account. Whichever bank you have account, you need to get a letter from them, official letterhead. These letter must be printed on financial institution's letterhead and include the bank or institution's contact information, your name, your outstanding debt, and these details for each current banking and investment account, whatever account you have, account number, date the account was opened, current account balance, and average balance for the past 6 months, right? This is what Government of Canada say. Now, for my case, I applied under CEC, so I was not expected to give this, but I still gave it to them, right? So I went to my bank, and I told them, boss, I need something like this. What is expected from government? And they gave me something what is shown to the right side of the screen. So that was a A4 blank sheet. What they did was they just printed the format on the A4 sheet, and now there was a lot of variation in what is expected versus what they gave. So bank or institutions, it must be printed on financial institutions letterhead. So they made a letterhead, right? Like when printing, it was not printed before. So, and next was their contact number, address and telephone number, and email address, right? So here you see address is there and no email address or phone number is there. and then they gave me account number, status is open, right? uh, but the open date is there, yes, and current account balance is there, but average 6 months balance was not there, right? So there were few differences. I checked with bank that okay, this there is no contact number or email address of the bank, or there is this it is not on letterhead. These two things I asked them, and then they were like, this is what we give to other people and they got their PR. So if you find any difficulty, please come back to us, because this is our fixed format that we give to everybody. I applied with this skeptically and it was accepted. So with this, I also included 6 months bank statement, because average balance of past 6 months was not given. So whatever is your main account, give 6 months of bank statement. So this letter, something like this, and plus 6 months of bank statement, that will be sufficient for you. There is one reference I have given on just below the screen. You can go through it in case you want to have more detail, but this is everything that I have covered in the video that you need to know, and this is a practical scenario that I have shared with you. All right, that's it for today, and if you're liking this series, please give us a like and do subscribe us, and do share this series with more people, because they'll leverage from this and save a lot of money from agents. Thank you.